Hi friends, welcome back to Kiddo Kids. So you all know it's our third segment, which is guest for the day, right? And so here's our guest. So hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Milia.
Milia. Okay, Milia. Which grade are you in?
I'm in 5th grade.
5th grade. Which school?
Leaders Private School.
Leaders Private School. Okay, she's younger than me. She's in 5th grade. And do you have any siblings?
Yes.
Okay. He or she?
He.
He. What's his name?
Megan Johnson.
Megan. Okay. So, you are here for music, right? Singing,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So, are you learning singing?
Yes.
Okay. So, can we go to your first song?
Yes.
Which song are you gonna sing?
Purayorathil.
Purayorathil. Okay. From which film?
Adharvam.
Adharvam. Okay. So, she's gonna sing a song called Purayorathil. So, we can hear her song right now.
പൂത്തോണിയെത്തി
it was so nice.
Thank you.
So very beautiful, okay? It was really nice, okay. So, Melia, right?
Yes.
Melia, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Science. Okay, can you have seven? I like science. Okay, who's teaching you science?
Jisha ma'am.
Jisha ma'am. So, is she your favorite teacher?
No, I like Bia ma'am. She's
Okay.
my computer teacher.
Computer teacher. Okay, fine. So, Melia, Christmas and all is coming, right? Within 3
Yeah.
days, Christmas is coming. So,
Yeah.
what are your Christmas plans?
Going outside with my parents.
Okay. And we are having vacation, right?
Yes.
So, what all did you do in your vacation?
We went for singing carol
Kerala, okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
and we went outside for camping.
Camping. Okay, nice. Okay. So we are having vacation. So we all are so thrilled, and our school will be opening within 1 week or something, right? Okay. Anyway, so when are you studying music?
I'm studying music from 6 years.
6 years. Where?
I'm studying in Kalaban, UAE, Sharjah.
Kalaban. Okay. So can we go to your second song?
Yes.
Which song are you gonna sing?
Kannam Thumbi Poram.
Kannam Thumbi, from the movie.
Kakutti
Yeah, it was a very beautiful movie, right? The
Yes.
song is also very nice. Okay. So can we go to that song?
Yes.
Okay.
കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നെന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം കളിയാടാമേ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കളിയാടാമേ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നെന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം.
Okay, that was so nice. The song is also a very beautiful song, right? So have you seen that movie?
Yeah,
You've seen. How was the movie?
nice.
It was nice, though. Yeah. The song is also very beautiful. Okay, so Melia.
Yeah.
So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies
than
are
singing?
Dancing,
Dancing and
painting.
painting. So are you learning these both?
No, I'm not learning painting. I'm only learning dance.
Dance. How many years?
6.
6 itself. In Kalabhavan itself?
Yeah.
Okay, so even I was learning dance. Okay, so which is your favorite male singer?
My favorite male singer is Yeshudas sir.
Yeshudas sir, okay. A female singer?
Shreya Ghoshal.
High five, even I like Shreya Ghoshal. So which is your favorite song of Shreya Ghoshal's?
Shreya Ghoshal's, there is a movie called Bajra Mastani.
Yeah.
In that, Diwani Mastani.
Yeah, that was a very beautiful song, no? Yeah. So, and which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Endodi Amblichandam.
Enundodi Amblichandam. Can we hear that song?
Yeah.
Okay.
ഏനേതൊന്നും അറിഞ്ഞതേയില്ലേ പൊന്നാരപ്പൂങ്കുയിലേ ഏനേനോ നേനേനോ നേനേനേനോ ഏനേനോ നേനേനോ നേനേനേനോ ഏനേനോ നേനേനോ 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 ഏനോ ഏനോ നേനേനോ ഏനുണ്ടോടി അമ്പിളിച്ചന്തം ഏനുണ്ടോടി താമരച്ചന്തം ഏനുണ്ടോടി മാറിവിൽ ചന്തം ഏനുണ്ടോടി മാമഴച്ചന്തം കമ്മലിട്ടോ പൊട്ടു തൊട്ടോ ഏനിതൊന്നും അറിഞ്ഞതേയില്ലേ പുന്നാരപ്പൂങ്കുയിലേ.
താമരച്ചന്തം ഏനുണ്ടോടി മാരിവിൽ ചന്തം ഏനുണ്ടോടി മാമഴച്ചന്തം കമ്മലിട്ടോ ഏനിതൊന്നും അറിഞ്ഞതല്ലേ പുന്നാരപ്പൂങ്കുയിലേ.
Okay, so that was also a very, very wonderful song.
Thank you.
So this song was sang by Sitara, right? It's from the movie Celluloid, and Sitara got a national award for singing this song,
Yeah.
right? So this is a very beautiful song, and that folk sound was so nice. I really enjoyed. So Melia, do you watch Kiddo Kids? Are you a viewer of Kiddo Kids?
Yeah, I watch Kiddo Kids
You
after
watch-
school.
After school, okay. So do you like a program?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell our friends how you came to Kiddo Kids as a guest for the day?
Yeah, I came to Kiddo Kids when my institute Kalaban gave me the invitation for going.
Okay, so friends, she came like that, and you have another opportunity to come here by sending your talent to our email ID, which is kiddokids@ntvua.tv, and you can come here as a guest for the day. So now, Melia, you know it's our saddest part, right?
Yeah.
It's the wind up. So we both will be doing it together. So it's Dia Deepan and
Milia Johnson.
signing off from Kiddo Kids.